So, good morning, students. Yesterday I had taught you in the chapter of force and laws of motion. The first law of motion states that a body at rest will remain at, a body in motion will remain in, unless external unbalanced force acts on it. And if unbalanced force will not act on it, then that body will move in the same direction with constant speed. Okay? Now, the second law states that it relates to the rate of the change of the momentum. The applied force is directly proportional to the rate of the change of momentum. Now, today we are here to perform an activity to learn the third law of Newton. Okay? Which says that every action has equal and opposite reaction. So, in order to continue the activity, to perform this activity, we need a long thread, a hollow pen, and 2 tapes, and a balloon. Is that clear? Please hold it. Hold it. So, place it here. Now, okay, now as you can see that we have blown this balloon with air. The air will put pressure. When the air will come out, then it will exert pressure, and due to that pressure, the balloon will move in the forward direction. So, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
The air is coming out from the backside, and due to that, the balloon is moving in the forward direction. Okay, so this was just that. Each and every action has equal and opposite. This was the third law of motion. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.